Yung call time namin is 2:30 in the morning. Kaso late tayong gumising. Okay. Yo, 7K water break. Parokya ni San Roque. Snowbird break. Okay.
Aku di sini ya apa tuh? Jual.
Nangga. Morning guys. We are in Naga City. Ayan, so exactly 15.1 kilometer from Cebu City. So right now we need another 2 kilometers, in total of 17 kilometer going to San Fernando. And so that if we U-turn, we go back to Cebu City, it will be around 34 kilometer plus we have allowance for some walking and rest. So allowance of possible 4 kilometers, sorry. And then our target today is 32 kilometer. So actually guys, kanina guys is supposed to be kasama ko yung Guild of Runners. Yung call time namin is 2:30 in the morning. Kaso late tayong gumising. Pero hindi yan excuse para hindi matuloy yung training natin. So ngayon solo lang ako. City of Naga, Barangay Inupuran. Hello guys, so 17K, sirado. Stop over muna tayo Ross Pharmacy. Pili tayo ng water. Ayan o. Water bed. Asa man ka? Pila may edad ni mo? Ada ka ba? 20K. Guwapo. Yun oh, 32k done. Even if it's not working according to our plan, good thing is we show up and finish the course. It's okay to change your plan, but never change your goal. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. See you on the next vlog. Ciao, bye!